Planet Dolan. From playing peekaboo with the universe to gods literally fucking the planet, we look at 8 craziest explanations for our existence. How's it going? I'm Danger Dolan. I'm here to decipher some random things I found on the internet the other day that I think you might be interested in.
Number 8.
What if there's an infinite number of views that existed for every choice or outcome that could have happened? It's one of the more crazy theories to come into genuine consideration as being true in the eyes of physicists, but it's also possible that there are just universes filled with totally different things than ours. So remember, when you feel like life has you down, that there's probably a version of you in another universe who is a millionaire and married to a model. That lucky bastard.
Number 7.
What if black holes were actually gateways to other universes that they were using our universe to feed? Essentially, this proposal by Dr. Nicodem basically means that instead of matter just being compressed into a black hole, it is actually feeding into a separate universe. This also theorizes that the creation of black holes in our universe causes a big bang in another universe. This would mean that our universe is likely the result of another universe's black hole, and so on and so on. It could just be an infinite loop.
Number 6.
If you've seen The Matrix, then you could almost zone out for the entire entry, except for one important twist. Instead of it being humans in a virtual world, everything is simulated, including your consciousness. You are just one very complex sim following along a programmed path. Ever played The Sims and forgot to get the little guy to the bathroom in time and they pee themselves? Well, that's explained now. Fire in the kitchen? They just didn't level your skills in cooking. Feel like you have no control over your life? You don't.
Number 5.
Well, it can't be a computer simulation because everyone knows aliens created and coded human DNA, and they included messages in there. Now, before we get to the aliens meme jokes, this one has more science behind it than you might think. Basically, the scientists behind this theory believe that they have found evidence of a coded language in the human genome, basically acting as a type of signature for the creators of human DNA. Now the leap comes then straight to aliens, because saying anything else would get you laughed out of the lab and stripped of your scientist coat.
Number 4.
Ever wonder if something exists if you aren't looking at it? Nah, didn't think so. Phenomenalism is the theory that our universe only exists while it's being observed. So once you stop observing, the thing doesn't exist. Then it does again, then it doesn't. It's kind of like when you're playing peekaboo with a toddler. Where'd Timmy go? Oh, there he is. It's likely objects don't stop existing when you look away, but it's that whole tree falling in the woods deal. If you can't sense it, then as far as you know, it's not there. While interesting to ponder, it starts to lose any practicality after 5 minutes of thinking. You gotta love real life draw distances.
Number 3.
Well, you can't always explain human existence, but you can explain why the sky is blue. It's because of sexual energy. This alternate theory on how the universe worked basically boiled down to a force called the orgone, which is our sexual libido. Sorta. It was responsible for your psychological problems and could also be used to control clouds. You can collect your orgones in these special patent pending metal boxes that will help you control the universe. Sounds dumb? Well, the idea's become pretty widespread. Even Einstein tried one out. But 10 minutes in a cheap metal box was enough to work out that the universe was not molded out of our sexual energy.
Number 2.
Here's an explanation for human life that has been the go-to every time someone wants to make a joke about the crazy things cults believe. Of course, I'm talking about Scientology. For those who don't know or haven't seen that one episode of South Park, the story goes that an intergalactic emperor named Zenu gathered up a bunch of aliens, took them to Earth, imprisoned them in volcanoes, and then blew them up with hydrogen bombs. Zenu then collected the souls or thetans of the dead aliens, brainwashed them, and then set them loose to possess the native life on Earth, i.e. us. I may be just a humble voice actor, but that makes a lot of sense.
Number 1.
Jeez, even in mythology, Japan takes the cake for coming up with the craziest story this side of aliens and volcanoes. The legend goes that the islands that make up Japan were formed when god Izanagi plunged his mighty spear into the earth and then pulled it, spilling a salty liquid that solidified to become a Honshu. Anyway, his wife, Izanami, then gave literal birth to the rest of the islands, and also the god of fire. But after being horribly burned because, well, imagine giving birth to fire, his army became sick and gave birth to the gods of piss, shit, and vomit. No, seriously. Human existence and all your bodily functions happened because a god woman got burned giving birth to fire on an island made of dried god jizz. Speaking of crazy theories, what's the dumbest thing you ever believed as a kid? Let us know on the Reddit page linked below and you might be featured in a future countdown. That's it for this countdown, and have a good one!
But then it's gotta be really hard to program an entire universe. Surely that makes the argument fall down. Of course, this isn't necessarily an issue either, since we can just program programs to program the program for us, which, believe it or not, is something we already do for many areas of IT.